everyone. So today we're going to be doing the long splice, and you might be wondering what's the difference between a long splice and a short splice. Well, right here is a long splice and right here is a short splice, and as you can see, the diameter of the short splice is a lot thicker than the long splice. So even though the short splice is stronger than the long splice, you might want to use a long splice if you have to pass the rope through a block and tackle system, or where you want the diameter of the rope to stay about the same. So the first step of the long splice is to unravel your rope. So for critical loads, you want this to be the number of tucks is 12 times the diameter of the rope. Or more, how long this splice is 12 times the diameter of the rope. Alright, got one side unraveled. Then you want to make the other side about the same. So the next step is to interlock the ends like we did with the short splice. Alright, make sure the ends are nice and tight. So after you interlock the ends, you're going to unravel one of the ends. Alright, so unravel it 1 or 2 turns. And then you're going to take the end going the opposite direction. You're going to take, so for right here, we're going to take this end and carefully follow the path back that you just unraveled. Making sure you're keeping everything as tight as possible. So all I'm doing right now is unraveling one end and following it back with the opposite side. Alright, make sure, once again, make sure you tighten everything as tight as you can. Then once you reach a certain point, tie a simple overhand knot in the rope, and this is just going to hold it there for now. Alright, then move over to your other side. Alright, so I'm going to unravel this right here and follow the path back with this end right here, like we did with the other side. Gotta make sure you're keeping everything as tight as you can make it. Alright, the more you carefully follow the path and tighter you make it now, the better it will look later on, and easier it will be to finish it. Alright, same deal, we're just going to tie an overhand knot with the 2 ends just to hold it there for now. Alright, now we got these 2 ends left in the middle. The only thing we have to do with these for now is to tie a simple overhand knot. And make sure it's as tight as you can make it. Make sure the ends are going in the right direction too. There we go. Alright, now going back to one of our ends. What we're going to do from here is the same thing we did with the other splices. We're going to go over one, under the other. And we're going to do that until the end is tucked in. Alright. rub your hands together like this to make sure it stays. Once again, you want to make sure everything's as tight as possible. Alright, now we're going to go from the other side. You can see that this end is a lot longer, but that's okay. Same deal, we're going to go over one, under the other, following the pattern. Okay. Oh, I didn't follow the pattern there. Did I? Nope, that's good. Moving on. Alright, right here is where I'm going to cut it. Alright. I'm going to move over to this end. Tuck in the last little bit we have here. Then we're going to do the same thing. Let's see here, so we're going to go over. Alright, so once again, I'm going to cut this end here, since we don't need it to go all the way back. Alright, now, as you can see, we're left with these two ends. So we're just going to do the same thing, and follow the pattern, going over, under, over, under, and so on. Alright everyone, so here's our long splice